Hello, everybody. Welcome to Tuesday. The S&P 500 was down 1.1% today. Really got off to a slow start in the morning due to what happened with the earnings report from Walmart last night, and just continued to have trouble all day long. We did get some good reports from companies like Coca Cola and McDonald's that did well, but not enough to really turn it around. And one of the things we're really watching for right now is the strength of the dollar. So the dollar went up to, a high point when the market hit a low back in mid-June, has come down off of that, but it's now starting to come back. And what happens is that S&P 500 companies, for example, sell about 40% of their products internationally. So, if the dollar gets stronger and you want to go to Europe, that's great. But if you want to sell to Europe, that could be a problem. And so the more that the dollar comes up, the more pressure that puts on the S&P 500 to come down, because it most likely affects earnings. We do have the Federal Reserve meeting happening today. Tomorrow they'll be meeting also and then coming out and speaking. The more the Fed raises rates, especially compared to other places, the more people put money into U.S. Treasuries, which then creates more dollars purchased as that money comes in from the outside, creates a stronger and stronger dollar. And a stronger and stronger dollar puts more and more pressure on the earnings on the S&P 500. So really kind of an interesting situation. So it'll be fascinating to hear what happens tomorrow. After hours today, we did have Google and Microsoft both report their earnings. They both missed their earnings. And Google actually moved up a little bit because their ad revenues were seen as pretty decent or better than what we might expect after what we heard from Snapchat. And then, of course, Microsoft kind of missed across the board on revenues and earnings, and a little bit of softness after hours. So we'll see how that plays out tomorrow. So big day tomorrow to hear what the Federal Reserve has to say, how that impacts the dollar, what's going on here as far as that goes. And we'll look forward to talking to you then. Thank you very much.